Hey guys, how are you? So I'm in Winstead, Connecticut, and I've got a lot of good stuff I just came across. First, Wigman Terrace. So if you're walking along and there's this completely level spot of ground where it's been dug out that way and then built out here, drops off. I could dig anywhere through there and find the charcoal from God knows how many hundreds or thousands of years. But anyways, like, that's what that is. If you ever see that, there's all over the place. Then, literally a couple steps away, I found what I think is a serpent head, where you have them getting a little closer here, where you have the mouth feature right through here. There's a brow ridge, which is pretty crazy. This would be the eye right in here. But there's nothing, not one single thing. This isn't a softer section of rock. It is metamorphic rock, but this is dug out. Absolutely dug out. So that's cool. We only have Mama Cat today. Right, Mama Cat? And then we got this, there's all kinds of bedrock that's been worked over there. And then this spot right here could have been, let's look at this carving. And right there. But this right here would have been an area where they could have processed things without it going all over the place. Food processing. And then you've got these caves. That is 100% constructed. No two ways about it. Same with this one here. Lots of scoring through here. Kind of interesting. I like that spot there. But I mean, I could walk around this area for 10 minutes. Oh, that's interesting. I might have to do another video. I think I see something else. Love you guys.